Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to Google Meet. When you find this list of app and for you will click on first stop. Then we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because it can mix or cause your errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.